Okay, this is skiing from Telluride Mountain Village into the Peaks Resort, which has ski in, ski out access, which actually makes it quite easy from the middle San Sofia station. Peel up here to the right. The sign here says Meadows to the left to go to the bottom lift, Peaks Resort to the right. Make a slow right turn here. Everyone coming in at the end of the day. Easy just to drop your skis at the ski valet and walk on in.
What? Oh yeah. Yeah, we just went to
Yeah, so now you don't have to every time you go on the lift
Trying to do this without my poles, pushing myself along, just coasting through gravity. Got a nice heated pool down there, which is probably going to be my next stop for the hot tub. Just pull up to the peaks, park your skis. The great gents here do the rest of it for you. Love it.